Lesson: Analyzing and refining prompt outcomes for precision. Analyzing and refining prompt outcomes for precision is a critical skill in the realm of prompt engineering, where the objective is to optimize the interaction between humans and AI language models. This lesson delves into the art and science of improving prompt outcomes, focusing on actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can implement directly to achieve precision in outputs. In prompt engineering, the goal is to design prompts that elicit the desired response from AI models, and this requires a deep understanding of both the model's capabilities and the nuances of language. One of the primary challenges in prompt engineering is the inherent ambiguity and variability in natural language. Language models, while powerful, are not infallible and can produce outputs that are vague or not aligned with the user's intent. Therefore, a systematic approach to analyzing and refining prompt outcomes is essential. A foundational practice in this domain is the iterative testing and evaluation of prompts. This involves crafting a prompt, observing the model's response, and then making adjustments to improve the relevance and accuracy of the output. A practical tool that can be leveraged for this purpose is the Prompt Outcome Evaluation Framework. This framework provides a structured method for assessing the quality of prompt outcomes by considering factors such as relevance, coherence, specificity, and creativity. For instance, when a prompt is designed to generate a creative narrative, the POEF can be used to evaluate whether the story is not only coherent but also imaginative and engaging. This framework encourages prompt engineers to take a holistic view of the outcomes, considering both the content and the context in which it is delivered. To implement the POEF effectively, professionals can use a step-by-step approach. Initially, they should set clear objectives for what the prompt is intended to achieve. This involves defining the desired characteristics of the output, such as tone, style, and detail level. Next, the prompt is crafted with these objectives in mind, and the model is queried. The initial output is then analyzed using the criteria, and specific areas for improvement are identified. For example, if the output lacks specificity, the prompt may be refined to include more detailed instructions or constraints. This iterative process continues until the desired level of precision is achieved. In addition to frameworks like POEF, various practical tools can enhance the precision of prompt outcomes. One such tool is the use of prompt templates. Templates provide a structured format that can guide the model's response, ensuring consistency and alignment with the user's intent. For example, a prompt template for generating product descriptions might include placeholders for key attributes such as features, benefits, and target audience, thus helping to standardize the output across different queries. Moreover, case studies have shown the effectiveness of prompt templates in real-world applications. In a study conducted by OpenAI, researchers found that using structured templates improved the consistency of outputs in tasks such as summarization and translation. By providing a clear framework for the model to follow, templates reduce variability and enhance the precision of the generated content. Another valuable strategy for refining prompt outcomes is the use of feedback loops. This involves collecting feedback from users or stakeholders on the quality and relevance of the outputs and using this information to make iterative improvements to the prompts. Feedback loops are particularly useful in dynamic environments where user needs and preferences may evolve over time. By incorporating feedback into the prompt engineering process, professionals can ensure that the outputs remain relevant and aligned with user expectations. For instance, in the development of a virtual assistant, user feedback can be used to refine prompts that drive the assistant's responses. If users indicate that the assistant's responses are too generic, the prompt can be adjusted to include more specific instructions or examples. This continuous feedback loop helps to fine-tune the prompts and achieve greater precision in the assistant's interactions. Statistics from industry reports further underscore the importance of refining prompt outcomes for precision. According to a report by Gartner, organizations that effectively leverage AI for customer interactions can see up to a 30% increase in customer satisfaction. This highlights the potential impact of precise prompt engineering on user experience and business outcomes. In addition to these tools and strategies, it is crucial for prompt engineers to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and language modeling. As new models and techniques are developed, they offer new opportunities and challenges for prompt engineering. For example, the emergence of transformer-based models has significantly enhanced the capabilities of AI in understanding and generating natural language, but it has also introduced new complexities in prompt design. By staying abreast of these developments, professionals can continuously refine their approaches and maintain a high level of proficiency in prompt engineering. Ultimately, analyzing and refining prompt outcomes for precision is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of technical expertise, linguistic insight, and iterative experimentation. By leveraging frameworks like the POEF, utilizing practical tools such as prompt templates, and incorporating feedback loops, professionals can enhance the precision of their prompt outcomes and drive more effective interactions with AI models. As the field of prompt engineering continues to evolve, these strategies will remain essential for achieving the desired outcomes and maximizing the potential of AI-driven applications. In conclusion, the journey towards achieving precision in prompt outcomes is an ongoing process of experimentation and refinement. Through the application of structured frameworks, practical tools, and iterative feedback, prompt engineers can overcome the challenges posed by natural language variability and harness the full potential of AI models. By doing so, they contribute to the development of intelligent systems that are not only responsive, but also aligned with the nuanced needs and expectations of their users.